Hello everyone, I have today my Allure Beauty Box. This is for the month of January, and if you're new to Allure Beauty Box, they are a $15 a month beauty subscription. You do get a mix between full size and deluxe size samples in the box, and the retail value of these is actually sometimes pretty high, you guys. And if it is your first time getting the box is $10, so that's a very good price. I'll go ahead and leave that link down below if you are interested in that one. Let's go ahead and start unboxing this one here. Again, this is the January Allure Beauty Box, and I believe this particular one is sold out, but if you do sign up now, they'll send you like a different variation, so just keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and open this. So they always send out a little pamphlet, and it gives you a little bit more information of each of the products inside, and then they also give you some exclusive promo codes that you can actually use on some of the products in here. So that's, I really like this. I think that's a very cool idea. So the first item that I am pulling out is the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. This is a full-size item, and I believe this one, yeah, this one retails for $85, you guys, in a $15 box. So that covers your box and then some. So that's pretty good. Fortunately for me, I did try Sunday Riley, this particular serum, and it just didn't go particularly well with my, I guess with my skin. It ended up breaking me out in my chin area. So unfortunately for me, I'm not going to be able to use this. I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway for this one in the future. So that's something there for you guys, an $85 serum for you guys, full size. The next item that I'm pulling out is the one by Frederick Fekkai, I believe it's pronounced. This is, let's see, it says it's a dry texturizing spray. I've never used a texturizing spray before. This is for all hair types. And this is 0.4 ounces. So I'll definitely give this a try. Again, I've never used those, so interesting to see how that works with my hair. And the next item is the In Transit Camera Close-Up. It is a mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. This is from The Works, and it is 0.51 ounces. The next item I'm pulling out is by Makeup Forever. It is their liquid matte, I guess lipsticks, liquid lip color, yeah. And this is in the shade 105. I find it kind of weird that they always like number their things instead of giving it like a name. So here it is. It looks like a very nice color, but I think for me, I think these colors end up making me look like dead, you know, like they just, nude colors like really don't work for me. So they just really wash me out. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to go ahead and leave this also for a giveaway. And the last item in the box is this Rodial Smoky Eye Pen. It is a full-size item as well, and this is in the color brown. I don't think I have any brown pencils, so let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. I'll definitely be using this one. Okay, so here it is. Oh, it is very nice and creamy. That went on smoothly. And this is something that you can definitely smoke out. So you can definitely smoke this out, like, you know, doing something with your eyeshadow. So this one's not going to be waterproof because you can definitely smudge this. So this one here retails for $21. So again, $85, $21, and then you have these smaller, like deluxe sample sizes for a $15 box, which I think is an incredible value, again, for a $15 box. And I mean, if you were one of the lucky ones that was, you know, your first month getting this for $10, I mean, wow, come on now. Again, I'll leave that link down below. And also, before I do go, I want to let you guys know that we still do have our January giveaway going on. And I also have the Target Beauty Box, the Best of Boots. It's a giveaway for that Target box going on right now as well. I'll leave those in the outro, so you can go ahead and sign up for both of those giveaways. And also, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!